How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. So, how do you celebrate your Easter? What's the best way of celebrating Easter?
After work, maybe we can just go hang around with our loved ones.
With
Best way.
yes. How do you celebrate your Easter?
Wait, I hope you are not on air.
No, no, no. I'm not live.
Are you
I'm not
sure?
live. Yes, I'm not live.
Then all this is what
I
are they?
edit it later. I will edit it. You are on camera right now. Are you a Christian?
Yes.
Okay. So, how do Christians celebrate Easter? What's the best way of celebrating Easter as a Christian?
Okay, the best way to celebrate Easter in Sundays is by
Going to church.
going to church. Like today, we went to church and we worship, and we were singing
Singing songs
songs
and praising
and
God,
praising
dancing,
God, dancing,
all those
and it
stuff.
was awesome.
Okay. So just share with us some of the best ways you celebrate Easter. Are you a Christian, by the way?
Of course.
So how do you
I am.
celebrate your Easter?
Well, I woke up, I praised my God with my family. We had a prayer session, after which we went to church. Today's service was so awesome because the prayer points were like bomb
All right.
and glorified God, thanking Him to have died for us to live,
Okay.
which is an ultimate goal that any one of us can pay.
Okay, sir.
If not for Jesus Christ, you and I wouldn't have been alive till today.
Okay.
But to God be the glory, He paid the price for you and I.
Okay, sir. All right. Are you a Christian, sir?
Yeah, of course, I'm a Christian.
Do you celebrate Easter?
Yeah, actually, I just celebrate Easter.
All right. That is very nice.
Yeah.
Like, how do you celebrate Easter?
Well, actually, I never got the time to actually go to church today, so I mostly just, I was just at home, just taking care of some things. That was just
As a Christian, what's the best way of celebrating Easter?
Well,
As a
the
Christian.
best way of celebrating Easter, I think, is for you to know that at least you must be born again.
You must be born again.
Yes, and devote your time to serve God.
Okay.
Not only does the merriment and all that is surrounding Easter, but remember that Christ died for our sin and He rose. So we should always have that one in the back of our mind.
That here we are now. I'm sharing my experience and how I felt today and what I did with my family before now.
Okay.
And right now, I'm going to kind of
Eat it.
have some fun
Have some fun with your
my
family.
wife and
That's very
son,
nice. Okay.
just to
Just to keep the day.
blend up the day.
Okay.
You understand? So it's the Lord's doing. Because if not for Him, I don't think I will be alive now to go this far.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much for your time.
All right.
I do appreciate it.
All right, thank you.
Thank
One
you, sir.
time, eh?
All right, sir.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Subscribe now at Ogoni Market Lace.